Hello, today I'm going to show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. Let's start. To start the process, open your Zoom application in your mobile device. Now tap on Schedule. Here tap on Start. Now set the time and date. Then set duration. After that, tap on Save. Here tap on Save. Now tap on that meeting. Then add the members you want to include in the meeting. Then tap on the send icon to share the meeting link. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.